Pocketbook has a lot of different lines of devices, the Touch HD, the Touch Luxe, and of course the Basic. This is the most recent 2020 device from Pocketbook, but it's the 4th generation of the Basic line, much like they're on the 5th generation of the Touch Luxe, etc, etc. This is the Pocketbook Basic 4, and you can see it is in a wide array of languages, and we're going to open up this device with you guys on camera because, well, we just want you guys to be a part of the excitement and wonder because we've never actually used these devices before. We've seen images and the press package that came along with the samples, but we've never actually opened it or held it in our hands. So this is the box, and you can see it's the typical Pocketbook box. Very nice. Put the device off to the side for now and explore the rest of the contents. So we have the foam cutout that is the exact size for the respective model, and we have the My Life with a case, My Life without a case. You can see he has a key in his forehead and he's being destroyed by an undetermined amount of kilograms. So it's a good idea to grab a case. We sell cases on the Goody Reader store as well as an extended warranty, so go ahead and grab on that. And you do have your 1-year warranty. We, however, Goody Reader, if you buy the warranty, we cover you for 2 years. So that's all fine and dandy. We have our micro USB down below, but no dongle this time around. Some Pocketbook devices give you a dongle, some do not. So that's basically everything that comes along in the box. And now for the device itself. Have the nice bag that protects it, and you can see we have the green logo on here. Now the recent Touch Luxe 5 is actually just the white logo. This one actually has green, which is really cool. The control panel's also been heavily upgraded. You have back, forward, and you have this ring around the single button in the center. It is all very nice looking, and this is a very sleek looking device. It's not embossed, it's not raised, but it is lasered on there, the back logo. It's very nice. You have a nice curvature on the side of the device. The top and all the sides are clean, and everything fun happens down below. Micro USB, SD card, and power button and sleep button. We will obviously do a very quick first time boot up, but we're not going to go much further than the first screen you see because this is an unboxing video, but just for the sake of a first time boot up, there you are. A ton of different languages you can see right here: Hebrew, French, Suomi, Esthiti. It's very extensive, and here is everything that comes along in the box. If you guys want to see more on this, stay tuned to goodyreader.com, and for a full unboxing of the Basic 4 by Pocketbook, this is Peter.